Welcome to another episode of Inspired Content. We'll be taste testing Frosty the Snowman gummies, another holiday treat for the list. So, what do we got here? So, some portions of this may appear invisible. Oh, there we go. I got rid of it. Solved most of it. There we go. That's what the package looks like. That's what the package looks like. So, these are another dollar store find. And I figured we've done some chocolates, we've done some cookies, we've done some other things. We have not done any gummies. And that should be rectified quickly. So here's the package of them. Some of them are invisible. And not as hard as some of them are to open, but these are actually pretty substantial gummies. So, okay, so that's Frosty, and that's the hat. This is the broom. It's a hat and broom right there. The detail's just not shown because it's clear, but look how thick that is. And that's that one was green apple. I'd say that's comparable to many other green apple candies that I've tried. Okay, so 3 servings per box. Why are you not focusing? Three servings per box, 6 pieces per serving. So per box there are 18 pieces roughly, and thus 275 calories per box, or 90 calories per serving. Does the math on that one work out right? No, it's off by 5 calories. But they all have that wiggle room, I'm sure. So I believe you're not going to focus on that, are you? Wow, you've made my face invisible. Awesome. I was going to say, like, the picture you can see here. Nope. There you go. This is what the gummies look like. Feet, which I'm like, I'm not sure Frosty had feet, did he? His broom, potbelly figure, nose, smile, eyes, broom, has a corncob pipe, and an old stovepipe hat. If I remember my Frosty song correctly. Okay, so the other flavor is blue raspberry. It is interesting they start off with a not sweet and not fruity tasting flavor. Overwhelmingly, you start off with a gelatin flavor. Then you get glucose syrup, which is what that is. Yeah, so this is glucose syrup, sugar, beef gelatin, water, citric acid, artificial flavors, vegetable oils, artificial colors. So there is a sort of a jello flavor to it. Like a jello jiggler. They are peanut-free and gluten-free. But they are made with beef gelatin, so they are not vegan. And I guess the maker of this is Flix. F-L-I-X. Candy. From Illinois. Oh, and I think that's the red one, whatever that flavor is. It's strawberry. Okay, so it's distributed by Illinois, but it's made in Brazil. So a truly international candy. Well, honestly, it's a gummy candy similar in taste to a lot of hard candies. It's not a bad brand, not a bad flavor. And I respect a little bit that doesn't use sucralose, which is something they're all using for all sorts of stuff now. If memory serves, making homemade gummies is relatively easy. I may have to play around with that in the near future. What flavors would I make? See, I'd be tempted to do something along like honeydew melon or kiwi, dragon fruit, star fruit. I would do grapefruit. I would like a good grapefruit, a sour grapefruit candy. I used to be able to find these like sour grapefruit gummies that I loved. Can't find them anymore. Anyway, thanks for joining me for this one. I will see you in the next one, and until then, keep playing with your food.